तासीर मास लाई मुकवी खास जवाहिदार खासुल खास रबी शादी कोर्स प्लस तिला मुतवल खासुल खास. Assalamualaikum viewers. Today we explain about the disease male weakness. It causes, its symptoms and way of treatment. As Rasheed Abakhana is opting for cure the disease, which name is Tasir al-Mas Lai Mukawi Khas Jawahidar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadi course plus Tilla Mutawal Khasul Khas course. Causes of male weakness: sexual dysfunction of any physical or psychological problem that prevent you or your partner from getting sexual satisfaction. Male sexual dysfunction is a common health problem affecting men of all ages, but is more common with increasing age. Treatment can often help men suffering from sexual dysfunction, blood pressure disorder such as erythrocytosis, hardening of the arteries, and high blood pressure, stroke and nerve damage, for diabetic of surgery, smoking, alcoholism and drug abuse. Psychological causes might include concern about sexual performance, marital relationship problems, depression, feeling of guilt, effect of past sexual trauma, work-related stress, anxiety problem with sexual function are common, affecting more than half of all couples at some time. Although sexual dysfunction rarely threatens physical health, it can take a heavy psychological toll, bringing on depression, anxiety, and debilitating feeling of inadequacy. Male sexual problems, particularly erectile dysfunction, may suggest an increased risk of vascular disease, delayed or inhibit ejaculation, reaching orgasm too slowly or not at all, low libido, reduced interest in sex, lack of sexual desire, sexual fantasy, interest in sexual contact, ability to have or maintain an erection sufficient for sexual penetration, ability to reach an orgasm despite adequate sexual stimulation, and signs of arousal. Erectile dysfunction, difficulty getting, keeping an erection, premature ejaculation, reaching orgasm too quickly. Masturbation is a self-stimulating your genital in a sexual way to the point of reaching an orgasm. Masturbation is when an individual stimulates their genital for sexual pleasure. May or may not lead to orgasm. Masturbation is common among men of all ages. Pornography, representation of sexual behavior in books, pictures, status, motion pictures and other media that is intending to cause sexual excitement. Pornography significantly distorts attitudes and descriptions about the nature of sexual intercourse. Men who habitually look at pornography have a higher tolerance for abnormal sexual behavior, sexual aggression, promiscuity and even rape. In addition, men being to view women and even children as sex object, commodities or instrument for their pleasure, not as person with their own inherent dignity. By using these course, Tasir al-Mas Lai Mukawi Khas Jawahidar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadi course plus Tila Mutawal Khasul Khas, you can also cure the disease. Type of disease is premature ejaculation and inability to delay orgasm and ejaculation, such that it occurs very early in the course of sexual contact, leaving the other partner dissatisfied, such as the ability to control ejaculation in men lost during intercourse before the penis into the vagina, or just plug and ejaculation is or less than 50% of the frequency of orgasm in sexual intercourse to define premature ejaculation. Cause of premature ejaculation: some people think that spinal cord diseases such as multiple sclerosis or spinal cord tumors, seizures or cerebral cortex, organic disease such as cerebrovascular accident can cause ejaculation out of control. There are also reports such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, pelvic fracture, genitourinary system disease such as prostatic hyperplasia, masturbation, nightfall, bisexual porn video, adult magazine and other sexual contact can also cause premature ejaculation. Retrograde ejaculation is most common in males with diabetes who suffer from diabetic nerve damage, problems with the nerve in the bladder and the bladder neck force the ejaculate to flow backward. In other men, retrograde ejaculation may be a side effect of some medications or happens after an operation on the bladder, neck or prostate. Nightfall, a condition when ejaculate in sleep, usually in the early hours of the morning or late night. This problem usually worsens due to the weakness in muscles and nerves of the penis due to past bad history of excessive masturbation, thinning of semen, viscosity, fluctuation in hormones and a full bladder. Usually men are able to hold the sweet semen, but when in excess then it is eliminated in the form of nightfall or late night. Men are able to hold the semen, but when it excess then it is eliminated in the form of nightfall. What is low libido? Reduced sexual desire. Low libido means your desire or interest in sex has decreased. The condition is often linked with low level of the male hormone testosterone. Testosterone maintains and drives sperm production, muscle, hair and bone. Low testosterone can affect your body and mood. Reduced sexual desire may also be caused by depression, anxiety, relationship difficulties. Diabetes, high blood pressure, and certain medication like antidepressant may also contribute to a low libido. तासीर अलमास सलाई मुकव्वी खास जवाहिदार खासुल खास हर्बल शादी कोर्स प्लस तिला मुतवल खासुल खास is very effective for improving this penis disease. Other types of penis problems: infection in penis, loose penis, thin penis, lumpy penis, curvature penis, small penis, bent penis, muscular fracture in penis, weak from root, ring in middle of the penis, paralyzed penis. Taseer Dawakana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all the diseases by using Taseer Almas Talai Mukavi Khas Wahidar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadi course plus Tila Mutawal Khasul Khas by Taseer Dawakana, which is made with precious herbal and free from any side effect. Doctor and scientists of our institute Taseer Dawakana under the supervision of Dr. and Hakeem Tariq Mahmood as a qualified doctor, late doctor, pharmacist and Hakeem with prolonged research. Taseer Almas Talai Mukavi Khas Wahidar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadi course plus Tila Mutawal Khasul Khas is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. It is prepared under practical principles and proper scientific methods with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma. Taseer Almas Talai Mukavi Khas Wahidar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadi course plus Tila Mutawal Khasul Khas is a special course and expensive course consists of 6 products. Tila Mutawal Almas Talai Khasul Khas is very smooth and soft because it's having water, not fat or other fat-contained things. This leads to greater firmness in the penile organ, increase the penile tissue engorgement, better lasting erections, and much lesser occurrence of premature ejaculation. So effect can be seen almost immediately after the application. Increase of penile disease, penile size, and only minimal chances of too early ejaculation. Majoon Mughallas Almas Talai Khasul Khas. Majoon Mughallas Almas Talai Khasul Khas is a miraculous herbal supplement that help in promoting spermatogenesis by its action to improving the function of the testicles that induce testicle seminal vesicles and epididymic functions. Majoon Mughallas Almas Talai Khasul Khas help in improving the sperm count and it's also beneficial in rising the quality of semen. It is a satisfied natural herbal formulation that not only improves the sperm count but also the morphology as well as sperm motility. Labube Azam Almas Talai Khasul Khas. Labube Azam Almas Talai Khasul Khas help maintain the health and functioning of entire physiology. It increases longevity, memory and intelligence, enhance immunity, elevates energy level, decrease the effect of aging and will enhance overall well-being. Labube Azam Almas Talai Khasul Khas is effective in strengthening the heart, liver muscles, enhance concentration, controlling blood pressure, maintaining the normal pulse rate and other heart diseases. It helps to maintain the balance between supply and demand of myocardial oxygen. Sefuf Almas Talai Khasul Khas increase your low sperm count, semen volume, increase sperm quality, quantity and sperm morphology. As you have already noticed, sperm enhancement is a brand new idea from the impotence and erectile dysfunction during industry as well as it is used for the increasing sperm production. It is beneficial for sperm quality and quantity and sperm morphology. If you suffer from low sperm count, now Sefuf Almas Talai Khasul Khas will raise sperm count. The natural ingredients in it are well selected in order to improve sperm count as well as power up your sexual life, give you rock hard erection duration and make you a real champion in bed. It is 100% natural herbal and has no known side effects. Khamir Almas Talai Khasul Khas, it stimulates the functioning of all major organs of the body and gives a feeling of well-being. It can strengthen the activity of brain cells, inhibit their premature aging and promote the return of the cerebral function at normal. An effective herbal tonic for senile debility and quick recovery after prolonged. It is formulated by the collection of the ingredients beneficial for heart and brain which serve as a nervine and cardiac tonic. Habil Almas Talai Khasul Khas, it gives you much harder erection, more stamina and increase in size, more powerful erection. Completely cures your premature ejaculation, naturally boosts your sexual desire, a sex life you have always dreamed. Habil Almas Talai Khasul Khas enhance your sexual pleasure. It really boosts your sexual desire, strengthens sexual performance and energy. We have developed a safe and unique herbal formula that makes your sexual energy explode. Reduce erectile dysfunction. We develop Habil Almas Talai Khasul Khas all from natural plants, seeds, berries, roots, leaves, bark and flowers extracting from all natural herbs. Science of unlimited sexual power works within 30 to 45 minutes and enjoy whole night. Its unique formulation contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow because the इंग्रेडिएंट्स इन तासीर अलमास सलाई मुकवी खास जवाहिरदार खासुल खास हर्बल शादी कोर्स प्लस तिला मुतव्वल खासुल खास हाईएस्ट quality and verified or purity. Their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is multi-purpose course, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improve physical health precaution. After reaching various natural herbs in the light of the essence of ancient and modern medical research and his long medical observation, discovered a safe and effective method of effective तहसील मास सलाई मुकवी खास जवाहिरदार खासुल खास हर्बल शादी कोर्स प्लस तिला मुतव्वल खासुल खास एंड कंप्लीट कोर्स फॉर restoration for mental and physical strength. Rely on natural remedies because that's the only cure which does not have any side effect. Avoid hot items and drug altogether. Light exercise and walking are helpful. Avoid pornographic ideas, pornographic literature and movies. Avoid fast food. Avoid all spicy foods and cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruits, honey, dates and fish. So here if your non-person have male weakness problem, then come to Tasir Dawakana as use Tasir Mas Live Kavi Khas Wahidar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadi Course plus Tila Mutawwal Khasul Khas, which we will cure all infertility disease and male weakness problems. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video in which we will discuss new disease topics and its treatment. So here is time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.